What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the Toodles. We're the TOODLEBOYS, and today we're going to be shooting New Year's icons.
My name is Toodle Caleb.
Okay. I'm Toodle Rachel.
Toodle Seaman.
And we're going to start off by popping the champagne.
Hold up, what are you about to do?
What kind of gun is this?
Yay! This here is Tannerite.
What are you doing with it?
Crafting.
Also, make sure you practice fire safety. When you have explosives, make sure you've got a fire extinguisher nearby, just in case there's any problems.
I'm about to blow this thing up.
You gotta go, dude.
Alright, we're the Toodles. Today we're going to be recreating the ball drop with the disco ball and a shotgun. And it's going to be fun. Set. I hit it.
What's up, guys? It's Toodle Simon. Got a little special surprise up in this. You'll see what it is in a few minutes. Let's go.
Oh!
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow.
If you want to see more of our content, follow us on TikTok at the TOODLEBOYS. And if you liked our shirts from the last video and this one right here, go check us out on Etsy at Constant Tees.
Leave a comment on what we should blow up next. It's lit.
Happy New Year's.
Toodles.
Toodles.
Let's go.